just for amusement, these peppers are still alive. That one is setting a flower bud. Everything else, all the cucumbers, died. I don't know if it is too warm in here or if I accidentally over fertilized these. But like this tomato's okay, that one's okay, but most of this is dead and all the cucumbers died. So this experiment is not going as well as I had hoped, and I'm probably going to need to move one of these peppers, but that makes me nervous because look at the roots. They're very happy and healthy roots. The dead cucumber roots. But yeah, that's just a thing. I'm probably going to take this one and redistribute the water, and I'll figure something out. And yeah, I don't know. I have no answers right now. Me and hydroponics are not friends yet. We will get there, but today is not that day. Isis candy tomato, green grape tomato, and blush tiger tomato are the only three that look kind of okay. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Snack paprika, little red French balcony, and lemon dream are all okay. So yeah, we'll see. I'm also gonna move this somewhere less stupid. Chaos. This is all dead, all of it. Toddlers seeding. So I have basil growing in the hole, but not in the plugs. Some of these are bad. Some of these are hilariously overseeded. It's fine. These will go to chickens because we just never ate them, and then aphids came in and started eating them, so those are going to go to the chickens tomorrow. And my basil is happy, so I'm hoping that the aphids are not on these, and I'm going to start new starts tomorrow. Oh look, dead tomatoes. I need to clean those up. And your old basil that I started from seed, and laurel, and rosemary, and sage, and dead citrus planters. It's fine. It'll be fine. These are my indoor starts. A week later, they're all coming up. Well, they're starting to come up. All my brassicas are up, but the onions are not. And fennel and dill and peppers. So we'll see. Just trying to be patient. And the basil grows very fast because it's warm and sunny down there and happy. This basil, not as fast. It'll catch up. The burning question on people's minds: did this survive? Kinda. I don't think so. The plants still look okay, but the roots are all black because they froze. Some of them are not okay. Some of them are very much dying. That one is gone. But yeah, this is a failed experiment that I will clean out and replant in the spring, summer. But for now, I'm just going to let it keep doing its thing and be a science experiment and most likely terrifying. But yeah, the kales seem to be okay for the most part. A couple of them did not. But yeah. This might be a really good cold hardiness test. I think these might have been cabbages. And then that, I think, is a midnight kale. Right, like these definitely feel like some kind of curly kale. So the curly kale did fine. The curlier kales did fine. The cabbages did not. Also, I put cabbages in here, which is clearly a mistake. Yeah, that's all. It's a mess in here, but some things are very much still alive. And this is cute and funny. So we'll see. There's food. There's more food outside. Oh, and then this is the saddest. This was my beautiful plant that was outside, and now it's just clearly rotting and dying and has some weird pink sadness on it. So I need to, this is just dead. So before this disease spreads to the rest of my greenhouse, I need to feed this to the chickens or something. It'll be fine. Yeah, so this did not survive -14. Good to know. This is a kale variety that needs to get grown in the greenhouse if I want to actually be able to harvest it. And then it'll be like a big tree, like that. So, yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I don't know. It's fine. Thanks for watching the mini update. Also, those are all dead. Just, everything is dead. It's fine. Everything is dead. And I need to clean up the greenhouse. But I need like a day with the ability to do that. And today is not that day.